Ain't no tip, who gon' get jealous when you're finished.
YouTube, hey man, it's your boy Scatyblk817, man. Check it back in, back with another video, man. Back with another banger for y'all today, man. Hey, but before we get into this banger video, man, hey, do your boy a favor, man. If you're not subscribed to my channel, man, subscribe to the channel right now. We going up all 2021, man. And make sure, man, you give a thumbs up to this video, man, because this video finna be crazy. Man, hey, I told y'all we had some mods coming. We just got one of the mods in that I've been waiting on, man. This mod here is crazy. I mean, everybody in the Mopar community got one, man. And I ain't gonna lie, man, it's really all because of one guy, man. I'm gonna get into that, man. But y'all already know how we do it, man. Shout out new subscribers, man. Shout out to the OG subscribers, man. Shout out to the ones who watching the video who ain't subscribed yet, man. Shout out to the BMW gang. That's everybody running around on big meats on the back of their car, man. Y'all already know the slogan, man. Big meats winning, little meats spending, man. We got that merch coming too, man. I seen the mock-up on the design. It's crazy, man. Shout out to my audio heads, man. Everybody keep that bang in the trunk, man. Now let's get to the video. Oh, man, hold on. Hey, man, we got a little box here, man. What's going on? Boom! Y'all see what that is, man. We got the pedal control, man. Shout out to the boy HEMILIFE44, man. To the 44 gang, man. Shout out to the boy, man. Hey, y'all already know, man. If y'all do not know who HEMILIFE44 is, man, hey, y'all go to his channel right now. I'm sure y'all know he got over 100K subscribers, man. Hey, he have made this thing go viral. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been wanting to get one, but when they came out with the new version with the app and he was saying all the functions that it can do, and he sold me because he was in the, you know, I'm like, damn, that motherfucker do all that 44. So I was like, shit, I'm finna go get one. You know what I'm saying? Then my shout out to the youngin' Sucker Free RT. He got one. He got a pedal commander. And man, he was busting everybody's ass in the club. So I'm like, hold on, bruh. So this is what we went and got right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Just got it. Matter of fact, y'all go use HEMILIFE44 code, man. You can save some money. I think it's like $25, man. I think I paid $2.75, man. So y'all go over to his channel, click his link, man. You know what I'm saying? Support him. You know what I mean? Hey, he doing great things in the car community, man. So once again, shout out to the 44 gang, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hopefully we see 44 gang at the call out. 44, what's up? All right, man. So when you get your pedal control box, man, it don't come with nothing in the box but this. But as y'all can see right here, if you can't see them, put it up there. This is a QR code. Basically, scan this code, man. It's gonna give you instructions on how to install it. Here it is, right here. Came in a nice little old pretty little you know, blackish bag. You know what I'm saying? Crown Royal vibes. You know what I'm talking about? Everybody know what I'm talking about. But anyway, whatever. So here it is, man. Here it is. This is the new version, man. The pedal control. Y'all see that, man? It is the pedal box. Whoop. Basically, man, a plug and play. You know what I'm saying? There is no buttons on this. I haven't seen the old one, but I think it had buttons on it where you kind of put it on the levels. But this one here is all operate off an app. And I already got the app downloaded to one of my phones, man. Here it is right here. This is the app right here. Y'all can see that right there. Boom. Pedal control, all that good stuff. Don't be talking about my battery percentage because this phone is a throwaway. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. But anyway, man, so let me download this. I'm not download. Let me get the instructions, man. Let me install this thing, man. Let me get this thing on the car. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all how I install it, or just kind of give y'all the rundown. And man, we're gonna test the pedal control out, man. We're gonna see if this thing is for real or is it really for play. You know what I'm saying? Because hey, $275 is a lot of money to just be throwing away. You know what I'm saying? So man, yeah, we finna get into it, you guys. Make sure, man, like I said, man, y'all watch this whole video for your boy, man. If you're not subscribed, man, hopefully by the end of this video, you're gonna like what you see, man, and you're gonna subscribe to the channel, man, because we got some heat coming, man. Yeah, let's go. All right, we back, man. So we got it installed. Pretty simple, man. It's real self-explanatory. Take out the sensor or the plug that's connected to the pedal. And then you'll plug one end into the pedal, or with the pedal box, and then the other end to go into the clip that you just pulled out. So as soon as I cut the car on, man, the box automatically, it automatically connected up. So we are in green. So let's do a start up right quick. I'm saying? So right now it's off. I got it powered off. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all see that. There y'all go. It is powered off. So man, I ain't even supposed to be having my car out. It's half wrapped shit. But I had to drop this video in, man. Okay, so we got it off. Let's see her. Oh shit. Hey man, I just put it in valet mode, right? And man, the car won't even go. Man, so we was on 20%. I was trying to hit the gas. I'm talking about, I felt like it wanted to kick in a little bit, but then it just kind of went all the way back. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, I feel that thing, man. Damn, man, that thing going slow as hell, bro. Hold on. Oh, look, I'm about to get hit. Shit. Somebody about to hit me. God damn. My bad. I'm sorry. Got pedal control in here, man. Damn, I almost got hit. Man, I'm telling you, I could not go. Like, that, if you got anybody driving your car, like, let's say, like, Ghost of VA get up in here, and he want to drive, you know what I'm saying? We'll put him on 20%. You know what I'm talking about? But, alright, so that's valet mode. So when you put it on 40%, you know what I'm saying, you can kind of ride a little bit. We're gonna go this way, police right now. Alright, so now we finna go in death mode. Oh shit. Say, death mode, this motherfucker. Hey, this mother won't even go, man. Oh shit. Say, hold on. You put that thing in death mode. Hey, this mother won't even move, bro. Damn. Alright, that's death mode. Death mode pretty cool. Now right now I'm going about 30. And I'm back in valet mode. I'm finna punch it. I'm finna try to punch it, see what happens. Alright, punch it. Get up a little bit. Get up a little bit. Alright. So let's go to kid mode. So we in kid mode, kids. I guess you put this on for your kids. I mean, kid mode got a little power. Okay. Now we in eco mode. Eco mode, they got it on 90%. They got it on 90%. Now these are the ones that's preset, I assume. Tell y'all one thing, I can tell the more I take it up, the more I can hear that exhaust want to open up. Yeah, eco mode, it's regular. Yeah, it ain't regular. Alright, now we in sport mode. It's 100% on sport mode. And we are in auto mode. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh shit! Oh god damn! Oh! Damn, man! Say, bro! Oh god, I barely touched that thing. What the fuck? Hey, excuse my language, y'all. This real live reaction, man. I'm not playing no game with y'all, man. Look at this shit. That was sport mode. I'm talking about that motherfucker. Yeah. Ooh, shit. Hold on, brother. Sucker free, your ass in trouble, buddy. Yes, sir, you're in trouble. Sport mode. We in sport mode on the car, and we in sport mode on the box. Oh, shit. God damn. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hey, man, this my... Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, let me get out. Man, I'm in the wrong neighborhood to be doing this shit. I'm tripping. I'm gonna go to jail. Damn, man, shit. I'm sorry. Let me get out of that neighborhood, bro. Let me cut this. God damn, what a... Shit. I'm in the wrong neighborhood, man. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I ain't gonna say it on camera. It look like I have put it on here. Now, I done put all these at the top on 100, so... I don't know what that means, or vice versa, if you put them all the way. Okay, so you can't put them like that. You can only put all of them to the top. You can't put all of them like going to the side right here on 100. So let's see what this do. Everything is up on 100. Yeah, hey man, I can't wait to go back and edit this video and see my reaction. Like, this ain't no fake reaction. This is all real. And yeah. Hey man, if y'all got the old pedal box and you ain't got this one, hey man, go on get this one. Spend that little bread. Y'all getting that stimulus check. You know what I'm saying? Y'all getting that income tax. Go on spend that little bread. Go on upgrade. Get you a new one, man. If you got a pedal commander, man, hey, spend that bread. Oh, shit. Man, say, man, what done happened? Put it all the way up, y'all. Oh, this it's way crazier than sport. Let me say this mode. Ooh, hey, this gonna be called bust your ass mode. You hear me? Yeah, sucker free. Oh, say man, oh man. Ooh, shit. Oh, I'm finna bust a motherfucker ass. Hey, let me slow down. School's on. Look, school's on. Go to jail there. Yeah, man, we can cut this shit down, bro. Hell no. Can we go to regular mode? What's regular mode? Whoa! Shit, what was that? Oh, damn. Man, I'm talking about I got a second battery in my car, y'all. It done slid all the way to the back. Hold on, goes to V8. He called him. Recording the video, man. I got you, bro. Hold on. I'm finna punch it going up this little hill right here. Y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure, man, you join the family, join the team, man. Come join the BMW game, man. Come join the audio ears over here, man. We're going about 2021, man. But y'all know how I do it over here, man. It's your boy Scatyblk817. Now catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.